Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of office essentials with a close look at what might just be the best paper fasteners you can get your hands on. I'm talking about the ACCO brass paper fasteners, specifically their 1-inch variant. Stick around as we uncover what makes these fasteners a standout choice for your everyday document organization needs. Let's start with the basics. The ACCO brass paper fasteners come in a neatly packaged box containing 100 pieces. They're crafted from brass and plated for durability, which not only extends their lifespan but also adds a sleek, professional shine to your documents. These fasteners feature sturdy 1-inch prongs with self-piercing points, making them effortless to use. They glide through paper effortlessly, ensuring a secure hold without the risk of tearing or damaging your documents. What really sets these apart is their versatility. Whether you're dealing with scripts, reports, or organizing files in manila folders, these fasteners hold everything together neatly and securely. The larger heads on these fasteners make them easy to manipulate, ensuring a quick and efficient fastening process. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Firstly, they're reusable. The brass construction and flexible prongs mean you can use them multiple times without worrying about them losing their grip or shape. This not only saves you money in the long run but also reduces waste, a win-win for both your wallet and the environment. Secondly, the aesthetic appeal cannot be overlooked. The brass finish not only looks professional but also adds a touch of elegance to your documents. Whether it's for client presentations or internal memos, these fasteners elevate the look of your paperwork. Compared to other paper fasteners on the market, the ACCO brass paper fasteners stand out for their durability and reliability. They're designed to withstand frequent use without losing their effectiveness, making them a favorite among office professionals worldwide. Now, you might be wondering about availability. You can find these fasteners easily on platforms like Amazon, where they have garnered high ratings for their quality and performance. To sum it up, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and aesthetically pleasing paper fastener, look no further than the ACCO brass paper fasteners. They're the go-to choice for anyone serious about keeping their documents organized and secure. That wraps up today's review here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Have any questions or want to share your experience with these fasteners? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay organized and productive.